Hello everyone, Omar32 here. Today I've got my new motherboard I got it as a replacement for my old motherboard. This is the Asus P7 P55D-E Pro. I got it as a replacement for my previous motherboard. This one, the P55A UD3P. I did an ESD on this motherboard and it fried some parts. I sent it to RMA, they returned it but with some problems, so I got this replacement. So first off, this motherboard is way better than the old one, the P55A UD3P. First off, it supports SLI. The other one used to support only Crossfire X. This one has a 16 hybrid phase design, which is a 12 plus 2 phase design, power phases, and it has an extra chip called the T-Probe, which they consider is another two power phases. It has true USB 3.0 and true SATA 6 gigabit per second, which is SATA 3. So as you can see, hybrid. That's for all of these. So it is an extreme design, number one in performance and reliability and in safety. So here, as you can see, it says it is Windows 7 ready. It is PhysX ready due to the SLI configuration. Supports LG1156, Intel P55 chipset. Supports Core i5 and i7 and i3, which are from the LG1156 platform. So on the back, if you could zoom in, the hybrid technology, they say designed to perform some stuff. We will talk about it when we open this case. So a hybrid processor, Turbo V Evo. This is a software which comes with the motherboard. The T-Probe, a leading active cooling technology. It is a power saving and a power regulating feature. So the true USB 3.0 and SATA and true SATA 6 gigabit per second is achieved with a PLX bridge chip, which is a chipset put on the motherboard. I will show it to you when I open. And the memo cable. This feature is quite critical in any motherboard. I think everybody other than Asus should include a button like this. The memo cable button, you put in any memory, any RAM, and then click on this button, start the computer. Any memory is A-OK. So as you can see, it has Turbo V Evo ExpressGate. This is the software built into the motherboard, so you can access your favorite features such as internet, Skype, and all that. The Q design and 100% ultra long life Japanese solid capacitors. So there's nothing on these sides other than this on each side. So let me start by opening this motherboard. You can zoom in here, please. Okay. So here we have an I/O shield, an IDE cable, sorry. SATA 2 cables. These are SATA 6 gigabit per second cables. Back plate or a bracket, which includes two USB and one, what's that? Oh, eSATA. An SLI bridge and the Q-Connect. This is for the front I/O panel connectors. So first off, we got a user's guide with the driver's disc and a case badge, a quick start guide, So the Turbo V Evo User's Guide. This is the software. You can overclock your computer, your processor with it, and then down here we have the motherboard itself. So first off, if you've seen my old unboxing of my old motherboard, you will see that the old motherboard had a blue PCB. Okay, let me just close this. The old motherboard had a blue PCB in comparison with this one. This has a black PCB, blue and pale blue and black and white color scheme. So as you can see, these are the power phases. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2. So a 12 plus 2 power phase, and the 8 pin right here. If you could zoom in, the 8 pin right here. Okay, let's move on. Okay, and here's the CPU socket. Yes, okay. So as you can see, the sticker was removed, but let me remove it too. So this is places where 4 DIMMs can be placed. So there's a feature on this motherboard which is the QDIMM, where you place RAM here. You place it on this one. These ones are not notches. These ones, as you can see, they don't go out. So you place your RAM module here, and then you close it from the upper side only. So over here we have the over voltage of the RAM, and here is a power fan header. The 24 pin power cable gets attached right here. So this one is the BIOS, I presume. Yes, this is the BIOS. We've got here two, and then there's 2 and 2 there. So we have 6 SATA 2 ports and 2 SATA 3 ports. The white ones are the SATA 3. Then we have right here we have the CPU fan header and the chassis fan header and the battery. So this is a full 16x PCI Express lane. This one supports only 8x. It is a 16x physical lane, but it is an 8x electrical lane. You have 1, 2, 3 PCI Express 1x, and we have 2 PCI ports. So down here we've got 3 front USB headers. These total of 6 USB front USB headers. Then we have here another SATA 2 port. Here the Q-Connect, or the front panel I/O gets installed. Here we have a FireWire port, and here we've got a clear RTC switch. I don't know what's the clear RTC, but it is the clear RTC. So as you can see right there, if you could zoom in, please. If you could zoom in here, please. This is the PLX chip. This is what achieves the true USB 3.0 and the true SATA 3.0. So, by the way, this is a marvelous heatsink design. As you can see, this one and this spiky one. If you can see it from this angle, you can see spiky. So the front panel is have 7.1 audio, which is via chipset. Via chipset. We have 2 USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet, 2, 4, 6 USB ports, USB 2.0. We got FireWire and an eSATA port. We got optical as well as coaxial audio out, and we've got a legacy PS2 ports, two legacy PS2 ports for mouse and keyboard. So I think that's it for, and here's the IDE port. Let's look at it from the back. So there's nothing special about this motherboard from the back other than the black PCB. So thanks for watching, everyone. This was on Mark32. I hope you liked this video. Oh, I forgot. Here's the memo OK button. And what else? So I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, everyone. This was on Mark32. Subscribe for more videos, unboxings, reviews, all that. Thanks for watching. Peace.